Hello everyone, myself Prashant Tyagi, legal intern from team Lexus and Company. I hope you all guys are safe and healthy. Today in this video, I am going to discuss the legal rights for abortion in India. First we discuss the meaning of the abortion. According to criminal law of India, the term abortion in use in general to describe the termination of pregnancy by mother. In other words, is mature expulsion of the embryos. According to medical knowledge, abortion is the termination of pregnancy before the embryos is able to extrauterine life, generally considered a period of 20 weeks of pregnancy or conception, achieves a crown pump of less than 50 gram 500 gram in weight or 18 centimeter in length. Now in India, this abortion policy is compatible with protected reproductive right drafted by International Conference on Population and Development 1994. It encourages the promotion of family planning to prevent the unwanted pregnancies, and at the same moment they recognize the importance of providing safe, affordable, adoptable service to women who want to have an abortion to terminate unwanted pregnancies. Here is a very important question that comes to regarding the legal right of a mother to abortion and the embryos' right to live life. Various jurisdictions of one country deliberated these cases with prudence and discretion. A clear cut of the rights has been classified that wherein the legal right of mothers to abortion drip the legal right of preoperative embryos under all circumstances, and the right of preoperative embryos wherever the mother's health, literacy constitute ectopic pregnancy and other reason or in danger. Abortion with fundamental right. The Supreme Court has given a wide breadth of expression of right to life under Article 21. The right covers the right to sleep, the right to live with dignity, right to privacy, right to move freely, right to health, etc. However, the situation that arises if the right to life includes the right to abortion. This signifies with the famous case in Suchita Srivastava, the Supreme Court held that it is the state obligation to guarantee the reproductive rights of a woman as part of Article 21 of her personal freedom, dignity, and right of privacy. In Lakshmi Mandal versus Deen Dayal Harinagar Hospital, the Delhi High Court ruled that preventable maternal death represents a violation of Article 21 of the Constitution. Legal right of unborn child. Article 21 assured a right to life only to a person. Here is the question arises that is the unborn child a person or not? Section 2 of the PCPND Act, the term embryo was defined as a human organism during the period of its development on the 17th day of pregnancy or the creation of and termination of birth. Right of the above abortion, vice versa, the right of unborn child. Article 1 and 3 of UDHR, humans are born free, equal and rights, dignity. They have right to life, security, liberty. Abortion with IPC. Section 312 to 316 of Indian Penal Code 1860 criminalize induced abortion except to save the life of the mother. It has used the expression to refer the abortion as the cause of abortion. Therefore, anyone who voluntarily commits an abortion pursuant to these sections shall be punished with up to 3 years in prison and fine. The punishment can even be extended up to 7 years, and with the payment of fine, the woman were in a hurry with a baby. POCSO Act 2012. It is established for the age for the consensual or sexual intercourse at 18. They treat the pregnant woman below 18 as a rape survivals. Abortion with MTP Act. According to MTP Act, Section 3, Subsection 2, abortion up to 12 weeks of pregnancy is allowed. Between 12 and 20 weeks, if two registered medical practitioners feel that termination is is in good faith of the mother and the child, the pregnancy may be terminated. However, after 20 weeks, termination of pregnancy is not permitted. Section 3, subsection 2, subsection 4, 5 of the MTP Act as a violation of Article 19 and 25 of the Indian Constitution. Section 3 was challenged because it gave parent control over the woman's reproductive choice. The reason for termination of pregnancy cannot be denied that it had completed 20-week gestation period. The above discussed theory clarifies the legal rights of adoption in India. I hope you understand the topic. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay tuned. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Comment on our video. Thank you so much.